What is going on YouTube? We have had a pretty busy start to our springtime. We have got our lean-to planned out to turn into a greenhouse. We've got a table built in here. We got the chicken run coming out. They can come out and around and come into this little enclosure where they have their water trough. I have my big pile of compost, chicken and rabbit manure decomposing, getting ready to turn into some great organic matter. And let's take you into the garage to see what the racking coop looks like. All right, here we got our buck cages. We got Moses and Bogo. We got rid of the 2 black bucks that we were intending to keep because we are instead going to keep this black buck here, who was born from this black doe. He is also an otter, so he does have a white belly. This is our doe cage line here. We have a lilac, black, blue otter, chocolate, and chocolate otter. And also, we do have a broken chocolate otter doe that we are going to be keeping in there as well. Our grow out cages are currently empty. We have sold all of our baby kits to some buyers. And the chicken cage has been cleaned out for the spring. We do have some chickens that are constantly laying in the nests, which is fine. We did go out and we purchased another 10 chickens for our laying stock. Those are going to be golden comets, which are supposed to be an egg a day bird. So we will see. We got our 5 nesting boxes, buckets mounted on the wall. We feed them in here. And that is the setup. Thank you guys for tuning in to Bountiful Blessings Urban Homestead. Keep tuned as we have a pretty epic garden planned this year. Here's a little sneak peek preview. This is my garlic patch. We have almost 100% germination rates of the local farmers market garlic. However, the garlic we bought online did not do so good. But the garlic we got at the farmer's market, which we did get a few different varieties. One variety here, another variety here, another variety here, and then another variety here. We have 5 different varieties of garlic, all hardneck, which is going to be some good stuff. As you can see, we got some beautiful sunshine shining down on them here at 7 o'clock at night. So these guys get some very good evening sun and a little bit of midday sun. Not too much morning or afternoon sun, as my garage and my house do block the sun from the south exposure. Stay tuned for Bountiful Blessings Urban Homestead, more garden and rabbitry updates. Thank you guys for tuning in and catch the next one. Bye.